Video.
2008 to 2009, third representative. Christine Delegate M. Camp, PUP Manma. Camila University. Statistics. Ayun. Mr. Jeffrey C. Arang. Batch President. Second, Judge. 2006 to 2007, Academic Excellence Award. 2007-2008, Academic Excellence Award. Hanggang 2010, Academic Excellence Award. Ayun. 2010, BS Math Cum Laude. 2009 to 2010, Math Lab Secretary. 2011 up to present, Risk Management Associate at Toyota Financial Services Philippines Corporation. Si Ma'am Leila Jane Pagaspas. Ayun. Then ang next judge natin, 2008-2009, PUP Math Lab President. 2009 to 2010, PUP Science President. 2009 to 2010, Assistant Teacher, Kumon. 2010 to 2011, Math Teacher, God's Little Wonder Learning Center. At 2011 up to present, Loans Assistant, Agribank. Si Ma'am Ellen Peralta.
2008-2009 sa yung PUP Math Lab President. Tapos, 2009-2010 sa yung PUP College of Science President. Student Council.
Tagal ah.
Chairman of the Board.
Okay, pahinga muna.
PUP Math Lab President. 2005 to 2006. Graduate of Bachelor of Science in Mathematics, major in Mathematics Education, batch 2008. Former PUP Math Lab President, 2005-2006. Leadership Awardee, 2006. Casio Calculator Champion, Mr. John Patrick Sandovalia, 2007. Mr. DMS First Runner-Up, 2008. And currently working as BPO company as escalation supervisor and handling a healthcare insurance account from 2009. Sir Carlo Romano.